I think it's been a long season. I think, we've accomplished some really good things this season. We have another game in front of our home crowd, so obviously we expect to win, and we want to give them a show. And, we look forward to playing. It's a tough time for everyone, and we're no exception right now.
To compete.
Just be more active, be more energetic, play with more effort. Just little plays. We watched some film of some things we didn't do well, and a lot of the things were things that we can control. And, against a great team like Madrid, we have to be focused on these things.
On the court.
Always, always. They've been doing a great job the whole year, so, we expect nothing less than that. And, we're grateful for these fans. It could be the last game of our season. We have that in our mind, but we hope it's not. But, you know, we have to celebrate with them regardless of what happens.
Fue un partido duro en Madrid, difícil. Han jugado más físico que nosotros y todo. Y pues volvemos aquí a casa para darlo todo en la pista. Y queremos jugar más físico que ellos, obviamente. Sí, es eso, jugar más físico que ellos, porque no quiero hablar mucho tácticamente, pero físicamente tenemos que jugar más físico que ellos. Si queremos ganar un partido. La verdad, muy bien, no puedo quejarme. Todo el mundo me ha ido aquí y me siento muy bien aquí, la verdad. Que vienen como siempre y eso nos dará más energía y que lo daremos todo en la pista.